Hi guys, I'm gonna share it to you how much it costs, the food that I ordered here in this place. Actually, this place is pretty nice and the food was amazing. So let's see how they put together the food and how they process it all together. But actually, it's not that special. I just get milk tea, fries, and some pizza. So I never eat lunch or even breakfast yet. And I just want to give myself a treat for those hard work I did. So before I go to the province, because in the province they don't have all this type of food there, and the only food that they have there is just the cooked food. Like if you cook some, you cook in the house, fish and all that, but they don't have fast food in my province. So if you are choosing to find a fast food or restaurant that you might want to get something for your test, you gotta go travel like 4 hours first before you get there, 4 to 3 hours. So here we go. Sorry about that guys, I look like a mess. So actually I did this in my hair myself, and okay, this is what I ordered. Ganito lang pala siya. Yung makikita ko lahat yan. Ano to? Yung ano to? Winter. Oh, yummy. I got winter melon. I just eat a little bit. Okay. Ganyan ang payang ka-cute. Pwede na te. No. That's it guys. This is winter melon. I just get a small size because I got this. They look like masarap hot sustain. Ang cute naman pala nito te. Nag-ano na lang sana tayo, no? Mang inasal. No?
Hindi na tayo pwede nila.